Okay, namaste to all of you. Differential equations. This is the last class for the differential equations. Only two models are there. Exclusively, these are the important for the only IIT JEE point of view, not for the board exam point of view. Okay. Till now, we completed one model solvable for P. One model I given that is known as the solvable for P. This model completed, where what is the meaning of P? P value is nothing but dy by dx. So in this equation, P value whenever they given, P value means it is nothing but dy by dx is the value. P means dy by dx is the value. Now today we will discuss about solvable for y. Solvable for y. This is also one more important model. Okay, solvable for y means, for example, if the given differential equation is in the form y is equals to some f of x comma p form is given. If you are able to write, if the given differential equation is in the form y is equals to f of x comma p, where what about this p value? This p value is nothing but dy by dx value. Okay, then how you can solve this equation? Immediately this equation differentiate with respect to x. If I differentiate this equation with respect to x, what I can get here? Dy by dx is equals to, here how this value changes when you differentiate with respect to x, the whole equation changes to some capital F of x may be p and dp by dx. Like this you will get it. Okay, f of x term will be there, here x terms will be there, and p will be there. When you differentiating p value, dp by dx, you will get like this. But here if you observe, here it is, if you observe, here it is dy by dx. What is the dy by dx? Well, nothing but p is the value. Then p is equals to capital F of x comma p comma dp by dx is the value. Means the whole equation changes in p and x and dp by dx. Then by solving this equation, you will get p value in terms of x. P value in terms of x. Now replace this p value in terms of x in the original given equation y is equal to x comma p. This is nothing but solvable for y. Okay, with one simple example I will give this one. Solve the differential equation. Here the given bit is xp square minus 2yp plus ax is equal to 0. This is the bit. Solvable for y model. Here I give an example. If they given like this, solve xp square minus 2yp plus ax is equals to 0. Okay, this is the example I given. Xp square minus 2yp plus ax equal to 0. This is the model solvable for y. How you can proceed this bit? Okay, listen all of you. Solution for this one. First of all, 2yp equal to, what you will get here? Xp square plus ax is the value. Now separate this y value. If I separate y value, y is equals to, what is the value? This one, xp by 2 plus ax by 2p. Okay, if I divide the entire equation with the 2p, here 2p by 2p means 1p get cancelled. Here I can get like this, ax by 2p is the value. Now this is the equation taken as equation number 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. If I differentiate this equation with respect to x, what I can get here? Dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 into, here uv formula, so here I can get a p plus x into dp by dx I can get here, plus here it is the value, plus a by 2 into, here if you observe x by p is there, so u by v formula, here I can get p square, here it is the value, x derivative 1 into p minus x into dp by dx is the value. Like this you can get it. If I simplify this value, now what is the dy by dx value? In this model already I given dy by dx is equals to p. So p is equals to, here it is the value, p by 2 plus x by 2 into dp by dx plus what is the next value will be a by 2 into p by p square. 1p here it is cancel, so I can get a by 2p is the value minus next value a x by 2p square into dp by dx. Like this I can get it. Now without dp by dx, separate the terms. What I can get here, tell me? That implies p minus p by 2, p minus p by 2. Next here minus a by 2p is equals to, if I common dp by dx and x also if I common, then what I can get here, it is value 1 by 2 minus a by 2p square. I can get like this. Now if I simplify this whole value, which implies after this I can get p minus p by 2 means p by 2 is the value, p by 2 is the value minus a by 2p is the value equal to x into dp by dx is the value, and here the LCM value is nothing but 2p square. I can get LCM value, and here it is value p square minus a. Now if I simplify this value here also, here the LCM is 2p, then here I can get p square minus a equal to x into dp by dx into by 2p square. Here it is the value p square minus a, p square minus a, p square minus a here cancel. I can get here 2p 2 1p get cancel, then overall value I can get 1 is equals to x into dp by dx by p. Then separate the variables. If I separate the variables, I can get dx by x is equals to dp by p. With this one here, if you apply the integration, I can get integral dp by p is equals to integral dx by x plus integration constant. Of course here log p you will get, here log x you will get, so I am writing here log c directly. Then what I can get here, it is logarithm of p is equals to logarithm of c into x, means what is the p value? P value nothing but cx. And now replace this p value cx in the given original equation. What is the given equation? Here it is, given equation is nothing but xp square minus 2yp plus ax is equal to 0. In this equation you can replace p value cx. If I replace p value cx, x into c square x square minus 2y into cx plus ax is equal to 0. Even if you common x, then you will get c square x square minus 2yc plus a is equal to 0. This is the solution set for the given differential equation. This is the model for solvable for y. Similarly, next model is solvable for x. One more model is there, just a reverse process, means if the given differential equation is in the form x is equals to some f of y comma p is there, then what we have to do for this one? Differentiate with respect to y we did it. Then what is the value? Here it is dx by dy is equals to some capital Y of, here what the terms you can get, y terms will be there and p is there, and here it is the value dp by dy will be there. And here if you observe, what is the dx by dy value? In this model, p value nothing but dy by dx. Then dx by dp means 1 by p is equals to f of y comma p comma dp by dy is there. Then solve this equation, you will get p value in terms of y, you will get it. After getting p value in terms of y, replace that p value in terms of y in the given equation x equal to f of y comma p. This is the model solvable for x, and exclusively these are the models for the only IIT JEE point of view, not for the board exam point of view. Next, in this differential equation, one more important model is there, that is Clairaut's equation. Here Clairauts, Clairaut's equation. This is nothing but Clairaut's equation. This is the last model in differential equations. Okay, which form is known as the Clairaut's equation? Before explaining this Clairaut's equation, till now we given linear differential equation. Linear differential equation means, here the linear differential equation means dy by dx plus p of x into y is equals to q of x. This is nothing but linear differential equation. Regarding this linear differential equation we given already. Okay, similar to that Clairaut's equation. What is the Clairaut's differential equation? If the given differential equation is in the form y is equals to px plus f of p. If the given differential equation is in the form y is equals to p into x plus f of p, this form is known as the Clairaut's equation. And for this Clairaut's differential equation, directly you will get the solution. By replacing p value by some constant c. Directly you will get the solution. Simple only, but identification is important here. So Clairaut's differential equation means the Clairaut's differential equation is in the form y is equals to px plus f of p. Again, what is the p value? Nothing but dy by dx value. Then for this Clairaut's differential equation, how you will get the general solution? The general solution is obtained by replacing the value p by constant c. One example I will give. Here they given as solve y is equals to px plus p by root of 1 plus p square. If they given like this, then how you can find the solution? So here if you observe, this is y is equals to px plus f of p. Of course f of p is equal to, this is the function. So this is nothing but Clairaut's equation. So for Clairaut's equation, how you can find directly general solution? Simple method is there. Just replace p value by c. Then what you can get? Y is equals to cx plus c by root of 1 plus c square. So directly, if they will give in this model, easily you can identify. But for example, if the given equation is in the form solve root of 1 plus p square equal to tan of px minus y, if they given like this, then how you can find the solution? Here what is the p value? P value is nothing but dy by dx value. And here already we given solvable for p, solvable for y, solvable for x. Try to solve them, okay, in those models. Otherwise you can cross check one time Clairaut's equation. So in this example, here what is the given differential equation? Root of 1 plus p square equals to tan of px minus y they given. So with this one, what is the value? Px minus y value equals to tan inverse of root of 1 plus p square is the value. Then here if you simplify, then bring this value this side, px minus tan inverse of root of 1 plus p square is equals to y. So this is in the form y is equals to px plus f of p form is there. This is nothing but Clairaut's equation. So on Clairaut's equation, how you can find the general solution? Therefore immediately general solution is given by replace p value by c. Means here you can get y is equals to cx minus tan inverse of root of 1 plus c square is the value. This is nothing but Clairaut's differential equation. Okay, till today these are the models in the differential equations. Okay, try to listen all videos and practice entire differential equation for the next exam. The syllabus is nothing but entire differential equation. And if you go to Arihant book, there are given applications of the differential equations that you can understand easily. Just try to solve those bits also. Okay, number of examples are there. Okay, each and every session try to solve them. If any doubt is there, you can post. I will solve and I will give the answer also. Okay, thank you.